In this video, I want to teach you how to make Iranian potato fritters in my style. First, grate all your potato. You can do this by grater or food processor. Put shredded potato in large bowl. After that, add eggs, tomato paste, dried mint, turmeric, black pepper, and cornstarch or flour, and mix them well. Now turn to grate onion and put shredded onion on a strainer and press with back of the spoon to lose their water. Add onion to potato mixture and mix with each other. At the end, add some salt and ready to fry. Put pan on medium-high heat and add some oil and wait to warm and fry the fritters one by one. When one side be golden brown color, take that upside down to fry another side. When all of that is ready, you can serve with tomato, cucumber pickled, and any kind of pickle you want, and any kind of bread you like. Enjoy that.